So girl, I am feeling myself. Watch out, cause guess who's back in the streets? Okay, so welcome welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be doing an ISEE hair review on this water wave wig. Girl, I haven't had curly hair in a really long time, so I am feeling myself. But yeah, we're about to just do a breakdown of how I feel about this hair. I actually did a little install video, and disclaimer, I can't do hair, so don't try to drag me in the comments. But if you have some tips, comment them down below. But yeah, without further ado, I don't like to make my intros too long. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my other socials. I'm really active on IG. If you follow me on IG, you know what it is. But yeah, here at my channel, we be doing beauty and lifestyle videos. I do a lot of vlogs, but if you guys want to see other type of videos from me, definitely let me know in the comments down below. And without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so my hair is all braided up in whatever pattern this is. So what we're about to do is open up the wig. This is like a whole first impressions or whatever. So let me zoom this out a little bit. So yeah, this is the whole first impression. So let's see. So the wig I got is from ISEE Hair, and this was from their 11/11 sale. So what's today? Today's the 24th, so I would say maybe it took about, what is that, 2 weeks? Yeah, that's about 2 weeks. So it took 2 weeks to get here, and honestly, 2 weeks is a long time for me. I forgot what I ordered. I don't even know. So let's see what we got in here. Okay, so off bucks from opening it, here's the wig. I got the Mongolian water wave in 22 inches because long hair don't care. So boom, we have the wig. It also comes with a pair of lashes, which I'm not gonna wear because I don't do the plasticky, I just don't do it. But the thought that counts, and then of course it gives you a little brochure thing with my girl Glow Princess. She is beautiful. So she's on there on the cover. That's so cute. I love that. Then they also give you an elastic band, which I love, and a wig cap, which I also love because I don't have any more wig caps. So boom, what we're about to do now is just install this wig. I am not a hairstylist. If you know me, I actually hate doing hair, but we're gonna try our best. I actually really want to try with this wig. I wanted this to be like a whole customization, coloring and everything like that, but my day kind of got messed up, so I'm not gonna be able to color it, but I do want to put the wig on still because I need to do my hair. So yeah, let's just start installing this wig. Want to learn either. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I do not want to learn, but this will do for now, I guess. but I really don't want to learn. I don't care to learn. But this looks like it's correct. I don't know though. Comment down below if this is right, or am I just doing this all wrong? Who knows? Who knows, girl? Who knows? This gonna work for right now though. Ooh. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Alright, I did what I had to do. It's probably not perfect, but it is what it is. So we're about to open the wig now. Oh, not in his bag. So I can pluck it. Ooh, y'all, I'm excited because I haven't had a wig in like months. I've just been wearing braids. Okay, so first, she do stink. I'm not gonna lie, she do stink. So I'm definitely gonna co-wash her. But off rip, it's super, super soft. I love. It's really, really soft. She just stinks, girl. Stinks. This is what I mean, y'all. I don't even know what I ordered. I ordered a 4x4 frontal. I didn't order a 16x4. Why is it? Why do I only get this little bit of leg? Now I want to fight because I just do it. Okay, so I guess I ordered a 4x4 frontal. No, this is not a frontal, it's a closure. I guess I ordered a closure wig. I thought I ordered a frontal. So what did I do all this for? Who knows? I'm mad, but I'm not that mad. But I ain't kind of mad though. It is what it is. Alright, so boom. This is what we're working with then. I guess. Who I don't look like the dude from the 1800s. With the little, y'all know what I mean. Oh, I don't look like that right now. It's whatever. We go fix her up. Okay, so the wig is definitely too big for me, which most wigs are. So that's why I'm glad it came with the elastic band. I'm gonna fix her up, but right now I'm about to pluck her before I put the elastic band on. But like I said, so far I'm really loving the curl. The curl pattern is very, very cute. It's soft, it's fluffy. I don't know. I guess we continue to pluck. What are we doing here? I'll tell you once, I'll tell you twice. Like a thief in the night. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing, but I think I do. Y'all don't even know what this is, y'all. I bet you there's hello people that don't even know what this is. Which is insane. Okay. That kind of made it flat. I don't think I heated it up long enough. This joint's the OG. Like the OG. Okay, so I'm semi-satisfied with this. I mean, I know I could pluck way more, but at least it's flat. If you guys know me, you know my wigs are never flat. I don't really caring about hair like that. So I guess what we do now is, I can't even find my needle to put the elastic band on, but it's okay because tomorrow I think I'm going to go to the hair store, get the color and dye it. So I'm redoing this whole wig, but we're just going to wet the hair because I look like a poodle right now. So let's get some water and get it popping.
If you really want it, then you gotta say please. I won't hold it back, baby, no, I ain't a tease. Feeling on your body, that's my expertise. I do it with ease. All them other guys.
Okay, so this is what it looks like with mousse. It's not soaking wet or anything. I didn't wash it. So this is strictly just with some mousse. So I wasn't gonna lay it down, but I guess I have to lay it down to show you guys the final look. So we're just gonna do that. The plucking is not that bad. I think I'm gonna pluck it a little bit more. So the products that I used was just the Cream of Nature mousse, the holy grail in the natural hair community. And then for me, I'm the type of person that doesn't like the hair to be too fluffy, if that makes sense. So I put this Cantu conditioner, and I put that on the end, so the end's just a little bit heavier per se. I don't put that on like the entire head. So yeah, I'm going to go pluck this, lay it down, and then I'll be back with it. Okay, so this is the final shebang. I don't think I did that bad for someone that doesn't know how to do hair, because it don't look that terrible. Like, there's a part, it's flat, there's edges. Yeah, so my first impressions of this hair, I actually really love it. It was nice and soft and bouncy. I did not wash it, but without me washing it, it still has full curl. So all I did was put mousse on it and a little bit of conditioner and just combed it through. But yeah, I'm really liking it. It's nice, it's light, it's fluffy. It was super cheap. I'm gonna put all the details down below because I actually forgot, but like I said, I did get this during a sale, so I think it was around like $140. I think without the sale it's like originally like $160, I believe. But again, this is the Mongolian water wave in 22 inches. I am loving. I haven't had curly hair in a really long time, so girl, I am feeling myself. Watch out, because guess who's back in the streets? This girl, period. But yeah, the shedding, it didn't really have that much shedding. For me, here's the thing about the shedding thing. It could either be from me plucking it or the actual thing. Like, when I combed it through before plucking, there was like literally no hair. Of course, after plucking, there was a little bit of hair, but nothing like too OC. Like, it was just a few strands here and there. Yeah, just off of first review, I do highly recommend this hair. However, I will update you guys, maybe do like a month update, because I probably will be wearing this for my birthday, because my birthday is in a month. It's on the 30th. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, definitely comment down below. I don't really do hair videos. I'm more of a beauty content creator, but honestly my YouTube is basically lifestyle. I kind of just do vlogs, routines, and stuff like that. But if you guys want to see more hair and beauty videos, definitely let me know. Comment down below, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Period.